later on. But today I am starting with this here. Yep, I got a quick jack system for the car so I can work easier without using a pump jack. According to this was easier. I got it real good deal, real good deal at Costco. Gets the two things here, the thing here, and some extra bits. Does not come with the basic package, so this came as an extra, which is pretty good. Oh, and if I have not shown you because I haven't filmed in quite a while, yes, my car got painted. It's dirty and dusty right now. Just look at this. But yeah, it's gonna get a second coat soon. But even though it's gonna get a second coat soon, and it's still dirty, we're gonna go ahead and work on putting some stuff back on into the car with the quick jacks. As you all know, I removed the headlights and the grills and bottom grills, and a lot of stuff is loose, so there's none of that stuff there. And the car is, of course, I said, dirty. I have a new car cover. We'll put it after I set this up. And I got a bunch of pieces that are gonna go into the front of the car, the bottom of the car, pretty much everywhere around the car. There's gonna be a bunch of pieces going there. And because of that, I will make everything work how it should work. I don't know, I'm saying wheels. I know this is the regular fit wheels. If you see the white body kit, and there's still pieces because I have to remove the bumper to install the light. So it's just like a dumb fitment, the dirtiness and stuff. But anyways, the wheels. Just quick update on the wheels. These are my old wheels. Some cast cheapo eBay, Amazon wheels. I don't remember where I bought them, but I bought them quite a while ago, like 4 or 5 years ago. They're 19s and they're going away. I am not sure when the new ones will arrive, but the new wheels are custom wheels. They're nice wheels. I ordered them back in 2020, back around November. Right now it's the 1st of May and they still have not arrived here. Just so you guys know one more thing before I continue. The giveaway, the 3S Airlift system giveaway. Quick update, we are still doing the giveaway. Everything is going on. I saw you guys' comments. Oh, it's still going on, I want to get it for my car, blah 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 blah. The giveaway is still going on. No need to worry about that. We're still getting that giveaway. We have that on. So yeah, so we're giving away the 3S system. What I'm doing is I'm giving you the wiring. My old 3S system is, I used it like once or twice just to test out the car until I got the 3P, which is the one with the remote. But yeah, that's the only reason I changed it. It works perfectly fine. It's stored in a box, clean. It's like really well stored, so you don't have to worry about that. It's like perfect condition. It's pretty much practically brand new. You get all the wiring. The wiring is still messy, but it's like inside a box, but it's pretty much done. Wiring, the wiring is completed. You don't have to wire anything but put it on your car with the 3S. And I am giving on top of that a brand new air tank from Airlift, and all you have to do is get the struts for the car that you wanted to get it to. So look into my videos, like this video if you want to enter into that. We're still doing that giveaway, and comment still which cars you want it to, and I will give it to someone. Plus, and this is a big plus, follow me on Instagram so I can announce the winner, because that's where I will announce the winner first, and that's when we get to 1,000 subs. I really want to get to 1,000 subs. I'm really close to 600 subs, And if we didn't pass it by now, whatever. But if we passed it by now, 600 subs is super cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with showing you this. So, alright, so let's get started with this. So this, I opened just these boxes here and the bottom here, but I haven't taken anything out. Just like took a quick peek. But like you guys, I haven't opened anything else, so I'll show you what's inside. By the way, guys, sorry, I have a new camera with a wide angle lens. That's why you see sometimes the vignette edges. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this. And let's see what we got. Okay, so I got this piece here. Don't know what it's for. But hey, anything that comes additionally free and included. Here I got another one. I'm gonna take it out, and we have like a bunch of screws. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna put it inside. Maybe it's for a truck. I don't know. This seems to be like pads for like jacking points. I got 4 of them. So here's the other 4. Here are 2 of them. Quick jacks. And I have to say this is kind of worth it because it just saves you the hassle of all the dumb stuff from all the other shit. Alright, so I'll put the things on the side. We're gonna go ahead and yeah, this camera films good, doesn't it? Anyway, it was kind of pricey, but I think it was worth it. And it has an additional camera. I don't know if you can see the reflection. You know, YouTube Pro right now. Anyway, I'm gonna put the camera right here, and I'm gonna take this out again. I have some trash, and the trash truck has not passed by. And because I don't want the paint to get scratched or anything like that. So we have 2 air hoses here. I don't know if you can see it because I cannot flip the screen, but only downwards, which is kind of dumb, but still. We got the air hoses there. It looks like air hoses. We got some more blocks. I don't know if you can see. I'm pretty sure you can see some blocks. There's one. That's more air hoses. Air hose. They're like Lego they're Lego blocks. I put one on top of the other. Lego style. Another hose. We got hella blocks here. I think this is good for the jacking points of the car. More Lego style blocks. And we still got more Lego style blocks. I got a tower of Lego blocks. Oh god damn, we still got a bunch more Lego blocks. I didn't know we got that many. Look, we got 2 more Lego blocks. Hopefully this thing hit my car because it's wobbling already. Oh, look, I got a bunch of Lego style blocks. Anyway, we'll continue with this. There's an extra box that came with it. Sorry guys. So let's see what's inside here. Maybe some hardware. What the hell is this? This looks like air fittings or some shit. I saw on the Duran Blues video that he needed some sort of air compressor to set it all up for the stance or the lift. I honestly don't know what this is for. But we'll figure it out. So I'm gonna put this back in the box here, and I think it's one of the biggest parts because this is the part that controls all of it. I'm pretty sure. I just see one of the things here. So I'm gonna try to open it up right now. There you go. But yeah, this is the controls. Here's the remote thingy, whatever, controller, remote. It's not a remote because it's not wireless, but it's a controller. So it looks like it has to be some sort of air compressed thingy. We did get instructions, so that's cool. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is undo this cable ties here. And yeah, it's my first time, so I'll show you guys how to do it from a noob that does not know what's doing. There's like 3 cable ties here. I thought it was already free, but it ain't. Alright, so we have 3 wires. I think 2 of them. This is power. We got a power wire. We got the remote power wire. We do have we have a loop here. Okay. Choice. So there's something that has to connect here. I presume. I'm not sure. This looks like a air compressor too. I don't know. You might have to fill this with air. I don't know. But it has a little handle here, which is cool. So, well, first things first, I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna take a look at the instructions and show you what I did, because I'm not sure what to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into that, and I'll be right back. Wow guys, my battery died so fast. I mean, not my battery, my memory died so fast. I barely have any videos in here. Looks like I need a bigger battery. Anyways, just real quick before I go switch into my other battery, other memory, or whatever I have. Real quick look, quick jacks right there. Goes towards the front of the car. I use the big blocks on the back. Make sure you do that too. I'm gonna go ahead and get started removing this bumper, working on the car. This car's gonna get repainted again, same color, but repainted again due to the dirt, grime, and all that stuff. Look at all that crap right there. Anyways, it's gonna get repainted once again. I know it might seem like really shiny from here, but trust me, it's extremely dirty. I don't know if you can see it from the camera. In any case, it's up. I'm gonna put some jack stands just for safety on some points where I could put jack stands, maybe in the diff, maybe some tires on it. So I'm gonna get it under the car and start working on it. But yes guys, finally getting to work on the car. As I said, I'll show you, I'm gonna film the rest with my phone. But yeah, it's gonna end, my memory is gonna end. So peace out guys. I'll see you.